Hello guys, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make a Teams meeting link in Schoology. I use the same link for all of my office hours for all of my courses since I hold all of my office hours in 3 1.5 hour blocks a week for all of my students, so you can go to any of your courses to do this. So once you click your course, you're going to scroll down on the left hand side to Teams meeting. Select that. It will look like this. So hit sign in once it pops up. Select your account. Now it's logged in and hit create meeting link. So you could say virtual office hours. So you can put any time really on here. It's not going to disappear. The link will be good until basically forever. I've been using the same link. So to be safe though, you could always say like, it's good until May 22nd at 4 p.m. Hit create. Meeting created. Then hit copy. So that will copy all of this information. Then go back actually to where you want to place it. So the way I did mine was add materials, file link or external tool. I hit link. While it loads, there we go. Just paste it into your link. Name it again. So these are my virtual office hours, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday from 1 to 2:30. And then you're going to see down here, there are multiple options here. So you don't want it to be displayed in Schoology. You want to unclick that so it says display in a new window. It's going to you can see now that it's like gray toned. So you don't want it in blue. You want it gray toned. So when you hover over it, it says display in a new window. Then you can hit add. And voila, there's your link. So when you click it, it opens in a new tab. You can open in Teams or your browser, and there's your new meeting. Hello! All right, thanks guys. Bye!